Not everything in your SmartSuite solution should be shared with everybody. Now, maybe you are working with clients, or perhaps you are bringing an agency or freelancers in to complete work for you. You've got project tables, planning pipelines, partner info, SOPs, client info, the things that keep your business running, but the things that shouldn't be shared with anyone and everyone. So in this video, we're going to look at exactly when you should be cleaning up your solution just by hiding tables, and when you want to create a filtered read-only view of your data to share with a client or team member. Hey there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and we help companies like yours get set up and automated using industry-leading portals, apps, and integrations. If you have been building a solution in SmartSuite, I bet you want to share it, either internally or externally. Now, sharing your solution internally, well, that's pretty straightforward. You will have a team account with your members on it, and the permission will be set for each solution that you have built. You can, of course, share a read-only view of your solution by selecting the solution at the top. You'll notice Share Solution here. We've got this enabled, and then you'll receive a shareable link that you can send to your clients and team members or colleagues. You'll also notice the ability to allow users to copy this solution. Maybe you want to templatize it, and you can also restrict access with a passcode. Now, I'm just going to toggle this off for now, and we'll close that. Now, when will you want to just simply hide a table? And this is when your solution is solely just for internal use. You can see here that we've got within our marketing solution quite a few tables up the top. Now, I've consolidated our marketing initiatives and tasks into a marketing hub, and I've also consolidated our partnership content and our partners into our video and short form tracker. So we don't need to see those tables at the top, as it looks pretty chaotic as it is. So let's go ahead and just simply select our marketing tasks. We'll select the drop down and opt to hide table. Okay, sweet. Next, for the marketing initiatives, we'll just again select to hide that table. We'll do the same for the others. And now we'll notice that we have a hamburger menu on the left, which is our table listing. And from here, we can see all visible tables and all hidden tables. We also have the option to add a new table like we do when we're adding a new table from the selection over here. Sweet, pretty straightforward, right? But will those tables be hidden on the read-only view? No, let's take a look. So if we select to share the solution just by enabling it, and we take a look at the live view of that shared solution, we'll notice that the table navigation at the top still currently has those hidden items. So if you are sharing your solution and you do hide tables, be wary that they will still be visible once shared. Cool, that was pretty easy. But what about when we want to share data externally? Well, we're going to have to create a view and share the view itself, filtering the information that is visible and tailoring it to the person we want to receive it. So here we have a dashboard view that's been built to manage YouTube videos internally. We've duplicated that dashboard view and filtered it so that only the videos a particular editor is working on is shown. We'll be able to see that the content calendar for editor 1 here is different from the content calendar of editor 2. That's because we have multiple agencies working on different videos. To share a specific view with a team, we'll notice the share icon in the toolbar up the top. We'll select that, enable it. Then we can collect the shared link, but we'll also notice we have the ability to set whether we want all fields to be visible, allow viewers to open records, display the toolbar, and restrict access with a passcode. If we just open up that link, we'll then see what our client or external team member will be able to see on the front end. So they can still see the navigation at the top, but as we have set it, they're only able to see the data that we want. From there, you'll notice that the viewer can't actually access the record because we haven't enabled it. We'd have to go into the sharing settings, select allow viewers to open records, and then just quickly refreshing that view and selecting a record, more information will become available. And of course, you could then use the filters and sorting to change how those records are viewed by the viewer. Now, if you need help setting up or automating parts of your business, don't hesitate to reach out to us at automationhelpers.com, where our team of experts are offering a free 30-minute consultation, so book yours today.